Good morning, Valet Service.
Iya.
Good morning, Mr. Yoga.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Fine. How about you?
Oh, I'm fine too. Okay, I'm Mr. Yoga. I'm Ayunda from Valet section. Do you have any laundry, Mr. Yoga?
Yes, I have.
May I check the laundry?
Of course, go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Yoga.
Yes.
We have one suite.
Yes.
So in this hotel, we have a same service. Which one you want to choose, Mr. Yoga? Laundry, dry cleaning, pressing, and 1 hour pressing.
I think I choose dry cleaning.
Okay, dry cleaning. And with stretch, no stretch, fall and good hanger, Mr. Yoga.
I choose with good hanger.
Okay, good hanger, Mr. Yoga. Okay, Mr. Yoga. For your information,
Yes.
all prices are inclusive of good and service tax, laundry or dry cleaning or pressing. Respect B. 11 a.m. will be returned the same day. 1 hour pressing service is available 6 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday until Sunday. Articles required same day. Refit after 11 a.m. will incur 15% surcharge. Express service within 3 hours will incur 15% surcharge. Public holidays will incur 100% surcharge. Do you agree, Mr. Yoga?
Yes, I agree.
Okay, Mr. Yoga, I want to repeat your request.
Yes.
So you have one suite with a dry cleaning and coat hanger. That's right, Mr. Yoga?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, Mr. Yoga, would you like to sit over here, Mr. Yoga?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Yoga. If there's anything else I can do more for you, Mr. Yoga?
I think no.
Okay, Mr. Yoga, thank you. I will go back and have a nice day.
Okay.